Hello, in this video I want to show you how to set up POCO F6 for a senior person. First we'll need to open our settings. Inside, navigate all the way down and enter additional settings. Right here we can go for accessibility and we're gonna enter vision, then display size, and here you can adjust the scaling for display, and I'm gonna make it as large as possible. This changes the size of icons, buttons, as well as the text. Then we can move to magnification, activate that option. This brings out that icon that looks like a loop, and when you click on it you can enter magnification mode, then click anywhere else on the screen and you will zoom in. If you want to zoom out, click on that loop again. Then we can go back and enable remove animations. This will reduce motion sickness while using your phone. Next is high contrast text. When activated, it adds black outline to all of the text on your phone, and as you can see right here in experimental as an example. And that's honestly all of the options I would recommend to change. There's not much, but you can experiment here in accessibility to adjust it to your liking. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.